is an unwritten rule in Bollywood. If you want stardom, you must do at least one film opposite Salman Khan. From Katrina Kaif to Kareena Kapoor to Jacqueline Fernandez, starring alongside Salman has given many actresses a career boost. But friends, things have changed. Now when young actresses get paired opposite Salman, he says, I have to think 10 times before saying yes. Yes, you heard it right. And Salman himself admitted it during a recent press interaction in Mumbai while promoting Sikandar. But who are these three actresses Salman cannot work with? And what's the real reason behind this? You will be shocked. I was thinking about acting with these new actresses. They will become big stars and get better films. But then the age gap. You guys have ruined it. If I want to work with Ananya Pandey or Janhvi Kapoor, I will have to think 10 times before saying yes. This clearly means that Salman is putting a full stop on working with the new generation of actresses. Now, this is the same Salman Khan who has worked with much younger actresses in the past. So, what has changed? Number 1, Ananya Pandey. Ananya Pandey is just 25 years old, whereas Salman is 58. There is a whopping 33 years age gap. In fact, when Salman debuted with Maine Pyar Kiya in 1989, Ananya was not even born yet. So obviously, Salman finds this pairing unrealistic. Number 2, Janhvi Kapoor. Janhvi is 27 years old. And fun fact, did you know that Janhvi's mother, the legendary Sri Devi, was supposed to work with Salman in a film called Chandramukhi? That's right, before Janhvi's career even began, her mother was being considered as Salman's co-star. Now imagine, if Janhvi starred opposite Salman today, would not that be a bit odd? Number 3, Sara Ali Khan. Sara, who is just 28 years old, is also unlikely choose for Salman's heroine. While he was worked with younger actresses before, the massive age gap now makes him rethink his choices. Also, audiences today demand realism in pairings, not forced casting. If you notice, Salman now prefers working with actresses who match his on-screen persona, like Katrina Kaif, Jacqueline Fernandez, or his latest co-star Rashmika Mandanna. So Salman is not just reconsidering his heroines, but also Bollywood's entire filmmaking strategy. He believes the real issue is not casting, but budget control and strong storytelling. Today's new actors don't want to do 2 heroine films. I have offered film to several young actors. I won't name them now, but they all refused. Some said they did not understand the genre, others had different excuses. Salman says that back in his film, multi-starrer films were normal, but today's actors are insecure about sharing the screen. So what do you think? Is Salman right? Are today's actors really insecure? And is he justified in not working with young actresses anymore? Share your thoughts in the comments, and for more spicy Bollywood updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.